Hello, this is Robert Cooper from Opternet.com, and I've decided to build some basic HTML template pages, but I'll take it even farther. I could do custom work, changing the color, adding images, videos, all the way up to full-blown systems based on Elgg, a content management system. Let me show you the template first I'm designing. This is my first one, and here's the video that I did, and which I'll be redoing. But so this first template that I've done, this color here can be changed. It can be taller, newer. The fonts can be changed on here. These are actually just links to different pages. This is the home page. There's the custom logo that can be text, not just an image. There's the about page. Now here, anything can go here that HTML capable. PHP. The beauty about this is basically any PHP coding and snippet could go on here. It'll do Vimeo and YouTube embedded videos, Rumble embedded videos, directions page, hours, locations, specials. These can be linked to, if you have external services like Facebook, you can have a link for social media. If you have an online site, there could be a page here, that page here up in the menu, they could link there. And I got links for my thing. So this design is, now this login doesn't work on this system yet, although you can on this page. You can go, you click on it, it goes to a different place, or it could be a drop down like that one. This is Elgg right here, this program, and this is my own website. I just build these things up and have fun. It has activities, it has groups, it has members, it has pages, it has messaging system. It's a full-blown content management system, and to me it's a lot better than WordPress and Joomla because it's really simple to do for not only the user but also the administrator. Over the years, Joomla and WordPress both have got so sophisticated and going to hit Web 3.0. There's thousands of plugins that you have to search for administration of it. It's very complex. You can't generate HTML pages like I'm doing with this in a specific way. But let me go back. So the CMS I recommend is this. From now on, I won't be using Joomla or WordPress. I'll be using Elgg. And Elgg is a non-profit foundation that controls and maintains this software. Thousands of people, hundreds of pages. I don't find a lot of people out there installing it, but if you go to Google and type it in, you see posts and links and stuff from 15 years ago. I searched for 2 years for every week for content management systems, and this one never came up, and I'm really concerned that there's an exposure issue or shadow banning by the big guys. I don't know, maybe kind of a conspiracy theory, I think, but that's all right. So maybe that's one reason a lot of people haven't heard about this program, but I can tell you it is extremely easy to use. Let me go ahead. Here's the administrator on this Lowe's Camp Classified system I got. This one is set up that it has classifieds, this part, or you can do another plugin which is Market, and it has video. I mean, I can put videos in the. You can put videos anywhere on these things. It takes a special plugin to make that happen. As far as the CSS styling and modifications like that, it's real restricted. You can't really do it that much. The core files are kind of locked down. You can't do that, but you can create groups, pages. Let's see. the activity, shows all the activity. It's fully customizable on the back end with the find it. The back end here, you can change things. You can configure the site settings, icons, the theme, and you can change basically the color of the top bar and the fonts and things like that. So you can do that. There is some CSS styling here, but as far as doing it, getting into the actual coding files and making changes, there's a lot you can do here, but a lot of changes into the coding files and customization like that, it's really much locked down. It's very difficult to do. It requires the generation or someone making an actual one of these custom plugins, but they have thousands of plugins. Now, a lot of the older ones don't work with this system. This is 6. They have a lot of still 1 point all the way up to 5 and plugin versions. This is 6, and so there's not a lot of plugins out there, but there's enough here of plugins to make this system extremely awesome. And I recommend everyone use this system. So, but you can go to offernet.com and you'll see where the templates are and get some information. As I update these and build more, and they'll be there. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you.